Hello, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. So, I have another interesting braid sectioning pattern for you, and we are just going to call this one broken tiles because it looks like broken tiles. So, to start off with this design, yes, I am in a village in Nigeria. To start off with this design, we are going to make the zigzag motion from ear to ear at the back of the head, just like this. So we are going to do this in 3 different places, and then the rest of the designs you can customize to how you want. But once you have done these 3 important lines, you'll be able to just freestyle on the rest, and the hair is going to come out perfect. So we took time to clean out the braids, sorry, not the braids, the lines, and it's time to start piecing the tiles, to start breaking it up. So break it up the way you want, and laying it down is just going to make it look nicer and look neater and look like tiles. It's supposed to be smooth and well laid. So she's going to take her time to lay it down, and after doing the second part, I'll be back. So now we are done with the second one. It's time to move over to the next zigzag. I told you we are going to make 3 of these, right? This is the second one. So you're going to do this from the side of the head all the way to the other side of the head, just above the eyebrow, like this particular place. Yeah. So do it from one eye to the other. And once you have completed this, it will be time to scatter the tiles in the middle the way you want. So break the tiles in the middle the way you want, in the middle section. She's going to go ahead to finish doing this and cleaning it up before customizing the middle ones, how the spirit directs, however your ancestors tell you to do, then you do that. So if you want it to be smaller, you can use smaller size of zigzag. This motion we did, this section, you can use a smaller size and then make the tiles smaller, but your head is going to look like too many broken pieces. So I liked this style. You can use this to make box braids. You can use it to make, that means your boxes are basically broken tiles. Then you can make bantu knots, you can make twists, you can do whatever you want to do, make like jumbo braids. But for me, I will be using it to make a Madagascar inspired hairstyle. If you're interested in seeing that, when it's up, I will link it at the end of this video, but it should be going public some days after this one, maybe a day or two after this video is public. Then you can come back and watch that. If you want to know when it's up, then just subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way, when I upload my videos, if your YouTube notification is on, you just know immediately, and we can have fun together. But for now, she's just cleaning it out. Seriously, making your lines to be clean, it's a huge part of this design because the design speaks for itself. Like, even if you make this sectioning and just roll your hair into like a tiny bantu knot and move around, people are still going to stare. Like, the designs were perfect. They were perfect. So again, it's time to pieces the tiles in the middle however you want to break it up, and she's going to do that all the way to the other side of my face, right? And then after that, I'll be back to show you the last one, our last broken tile foundation.
Si l'on s'aimait, à se promettre l'éternité, si l'on vivait ivre d'amour, comme dans les contes et des histoires, si l'on laissait couler les jours, en profitant de chaque pas, malgré nos douleurs et nos craintes, en se serrant fort dans les bras. Si l'on s'aimait, encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait. avant? Pourquoi nous on ne pourrait pas se regarder droit dans les yeux sans douter un instant et croire que le temps est notre ami et pas celui qui nous sépare, que l'on pourrait vivre sans vie dans l'aventure de notre histoire. Si l'on s'aimait encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait comme autrefois.
So now she's done. We are over to the last one. This last broken tie foundation will be in the middle. So you're going to make zigzag all the way from the face to where the line stops, and then once again make sure it is cleaned out and the lines are crisp, and then you can go ahead and pieces the broken tiles in the middle whichever way you want. I wanted 3 sections there, so you can do that or make yours more depending on what you're going for. So when she was done, you're going to see how the finished look looked, and I'm telling you, just this braid pattern alone is a statement. Like, guys, it was looking so fine. It's just because I didn't have plenty natural hair to start with. I could have just carried it that way because it was looking fine. Like the effort, it was looking so fine. So I'm just going to let you finish watching. Enjoy.
Si l'on s'aimait, à se promettre l'éternité, si l'on vivait ivre d'amour, comme dans les contes et les histoires, si l'on laissait couler les jours, en profitant de chaque pas, malgré nos douleurs et nos craintes, en se serrant fort dans les bras. Si l'on s'aimait, encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait, comme autrefois. Avant, pourquoi nous on ne pourrait pas se regarder droit dans les yeux sans douter un instant et croire que le temps est notre ami et pas celui qui nous sépare, que l'on pourrait vivre sans vie dans l'aventure de notre histoire. Si l'on s'aimait encore une fois, si l'on s'aimait comme autrefois. autrefois si l'on s'aimait, à se promettre l'éternité, si l'on vivait ivre d'amour, comme dans les contes et les histoires, si l'on laissait couler les jours en profitant